I realized today the truth is that my client does the 25% of the self-healing work. I do the other 25%, which is removing the energy blockages. He does the 25% of filling in his body with light. I just talked to a client and I explained to him how the self-healing works from the energy point of view. And yesterday, when I went to see him to the hospital, I told him, I need you to do your 50%, which is filling in your body with this healing meditation visualization that I gave him, which is to fill in his body with light. Visualize that from the top of his head or your head, there is white light coming into your body through the head and filling in the body. The work that I do, the work of the healer, the help, is to remove the energy blockages. When those energy blockages are removed, there is an empty space, energetically speaking, that needs to be filled with this healing light, which is energy. Now, I realized today that the truth is that my client does the 25% of the self-healing work. I do the other 25%, which is removing the energy blockages. He does the 25% of filling in his body with light. And I told him, remember those times when you felt so energized, when you felt so much light, when you were so energized that you told me you can run and jump over the hood of the car. So when you remember those times, this healing energy, you are filling in with this healing energy that is so powerful. If you remember the love that you have, you're filling your body internally with this love. We have to visualize that our body is a shell, an empty shell, energetically speaking. Instead of having all the organs and bones and flesh, is energetically empty. And the reason we feel sick or we have a health condition is that the white energy, the healing energy, is compromised by toxic energies. Because of life, our body is filled or was filled with toxicity, which is a dark energy. People who can see the energy, I have several friends, they see it like a dark gray cloud. This is toxic energies that we create with stress, emotional trauma, and many other things, toxic emotions. So when the energy blockages are removed, which is these toxic energies, we have an empty energy space that we need to fill with light, with love. That's why I gave him the healing meditation visualization, which is very simple. You close your eyes and you visualize that your body's filled in this empty shell with light, every single space, a little bit at a time. If you cannot do it with your whole body, do your head, your chest, your stomach, then you do your arms, then your legs, until you can do it in one sitting. That means without interruption from the top of the head to your toes. And again, this concept is very important. The work that I do is 25% to remove the energy blockages. The work that my client does, or you, is to fill in your body with light, with love, with this energy. And the remaining 50% is the grace of God. This is a law, this is the way it works. And I learned this concept from my spiritual teacher, Paramahansa Yogananda, who says, in the spiritual path, in the spiritual evolution, 25% of the effort is the devotee, the person who sits to meditate every day. The other 25% is the help of the spiritual teacher of Guru. The rest, the 50%, remaining 50%, is the grace of God. I can attest this because I experienced that myself since I started meditating when I was 18. That effort is doubled by the help of the spiritual teacher or guru, a God-realized guru, not anyone that is self-proclaimed guru. It's somebody who takes you from the darkness to light. That's what guru means. Guru comes from the Sanskrit root gu and ru. That means darkness and light. So a guru is a person who takes you from the darkness to light. What does it mean? To remove all these toxic energy blockages, which are dark, to take you to the light. And what is the light? Is what we call God. Because God is energy and God is a higher power. Summarizing the self-healing process, look for a good energy healer that will help you to move away all these energy blockages, including entities. You do the other 25%, which is filling in your body with love energy. You need to get rid of all the toxic lifestyle things that you have been doing. Alcohol, drugs, having sex with people that you don't know and have toxic energies that are transmitted to you. And the remaining 50% is the grace of this loving energy that we call Reiki, and it really doesn't matter, which is the primordial energy that creates us all. Please don't record a video when you're driving.